Good morning students, welcome to biology online class. In last session we are completed human digestive system. Human digestive system. The topic is nutrition in animals. In that subtopic human digestive system is completed. In that having some organs, they play an important role in our body. Okay, they are mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. These parts are present in the human digestive system. Okay, let us now we will discuss about the topic is nutrition in ruminants. Nutrition in ruminants. Human digestive system. It cannot digest the cellulose. Human digestive system. It cannot digest the cellulose. It is present grass and leaves. It is present grass and leaves. But animals digestive system is digest the cellulose with the help of microorganisms present in the digestive system. Present in the digestive system. In animals like cow, goat, sheep and deer. These animals digestive system having some of the microorganisms. With their help of microorganisms, it digests the cellulose. It digests the cellulose. Okay, this is animals digestion. Animals like cow, goat, sheep and deer, they digest the cellulose with their help of microorganisms. These microorganisms are present in the animal's digestive system. Okay, then animals stomach have a 4 chambers. Animal stomach have a 4 chambers. We will discuss about that 4 chambers. They are rumen, reticulum, masum, abomasum. The animals like cow, goat, sheep and deer. These animals have the stomach 4 chambers. 4 chambers of stomach. 4 chambers of stomach. Our stomach is containing 4 chambers. They are rumen. First one is a rumen. Rumen is a largest chamber. Rumen is a largest chamber. Then second one is reticulum. Second one is reticulum. Then third one is masum. Then fourth one is abomasum. Fourth one is abomasum. These are the 4 chambers. The stomach have 4 chambers. The 4 chambers of stomach is present in ruminants. They are rumen, reticulum, masum, abomasum. Then rumen is called largest chamber in the stomach. Abomasum is otherwise called true stomach. Abomasum is otherwise called true stomach. Okay. Next, animals digestive system. This takes place in 2 steps. It takes place in 2 steps. Then first step. Animals are taking food quickly and leisure time they will bring back to mouth. Whenever they are leisure, they bring back to mouth and chewing properly. This process is called rumination. Animals like cow, goat, eating food quickly. When they leisure, the food is bring back to mouth. When they leisure, the food is bring back to mouth. This process is called rumination. Bring back to mouth and chewing properly. Bring back to mouth and chewing properly. This process is called rumination. This process is called rumination. These animals are called ruminants. These animals are called ruminants. Ruminants example. Ruminants example: cow, goat, sheep and deer. Okay. Animals digestive system takes place in two steps. It takes place in two steps. Then first step. Animals like cow, goat, sheep, deer eating food quickly when they are leisure. When they are leisure, the food is bring back to mouth. The food is bring back to mouth and chewing properly. This process is called rumination. This process is called rumination. That animals are called ruminants. That animals are called ruminants. Okay. Next we discuss about the second step. The animals are taking food. It enter into the rumen. The animals are taking food. It enter into the rumen. The animals are taking food. Is enter into rumen. Then rumen is present some of the microorganisms. Rumen is present some of the microorganisms. These microorganisms they digest by cellulose. Digesting by cellulose. After the food is pushed down to reticulum. The food is pushed down to reticulum. In the reticulum is again bring back to mouth. The food is bring back to mouth and chewing properly. Chewing properly from reticulum to bring back to mouth and chewing properly. First chewing the food is partially digested. That partially digested food is called cud. Then second step. The food is entered into rumen. Some of the microorganisms are digesting the cellulose. Digest the cellulose. The food is pushed down to reticulum. From reticulum to the food is bring back to mouth. It chewing properly. Chewing properly. This is called chewed cud. This is called chewed cud. This food directly is entered into omasum. The food is entered into omasum. In the omasum is present any water and salts. Water and salts absorbed by omasum. Absorbed by omasum. After the food is pushed down to abomasum. The food is pushed down to abomasum. Abomasum is called true stomach. Already you know. Abomasum is called true stomach. In the abomasum is secreting by gastric juice. Abomasum is secreting by gastric juice. It is present hydrochloric acid killing the harmful microorganisms present in the food. After the food is entered into small intestine. The food is entered into small intestine. In the small intestine, any useful salts, minerals are present absorbing by small intestine. Salts are absorbing by small intestine. Then digestion is completed in the small intestine. After it is pushed down to large intestine. It pushed down to large intestine. Okay, after the waste materials are sending out. Waste materials are sending out. This process is called digestion. This process is called digestion. Then second step, the animals are taking food. It is entered into rumen. Rumen is present some of the microorganisms. These microorganisms are digesting the cellulose present in the food materials. After the food is pushed down to reticulum. From reticulum to bring back to mouth. The animal from reticulum to bring back to mouth. Again chewing properly. This food is called chewed food. This food is called chewed food. Okay, after this food is directly enter into masum. Directly enter into masum. Here observing any salts or water present in the food materials. After it pushed down to agomasum. Agomasum is called true stomach. It is secreting by gastric juice. It is secreting by gastric juice. After it enter into small intestine. In the small intestine, useful minerals, salts, water is present in the food materials are absorbing by small intestine. Then waste materials, undigested food sending to large intestine. Then these wastes are sending out of the body, by large intestine. This process is called digestion. This process is called digestion. It is about nutrition in ruminants. Nutrition in ruminants. Let us now we will discuss about another topic is nutrition process in amoeba. Nutrition process in amoeba. Amoeba is a unicellular organism. Amoeba is a unicellular organism and it is otherwise called single-celled animal also. It is otherwise called single-celled animal also. Nutrition process in amoeba. Nutrition process in amoeba. Amoeba is a unicellular organism and no particular shape. It is no particular shape or fixed shape and it is moving with their help of pseudopodia. It is moving with their help of pseudopodia. Okay. In amoeba is a irregular structure. Amoeba is a irregular structure. When food is appear, the amoeba is surrounding by a finger-like structures like pseudopodia. Surrounding by a finger-like structures called pseudopodia. It is food materials. These surrounding by the food materials like finger-like structures are called pseudopodia. Then after the food is entered into the food vacuole. The food is entered into the food vacuole. The food vacuole, the large substances are break down and converted into simple substances. Food vacuole. Large substances break down into simple substances. After the cytoplasm is utilizing by these minerals present in the food materials. This is called cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is utilizing by this food containing the water and minerals. Next, waste materials are sending out through the cell membrane. Waste materials are sending out through the cell membrane. This process is called digestion. It is about the nutrition process in amoeba. Amoeba is a unicellular organism or single-celled organism. It is no particular shape. It has no any fixed shape. It is a irregular shape. Then it is moving with their help of pseudopodia. Amoeba, the food is appear. It is surrounding by a finger-like structures is called pseudopodia. With their help of pseudopodia, eating the food materials are engulfed them. After the food is entered into food vacuole. In the food vacuole, these complex substances break down into simple substances. After these substances utilizing by cytoplasm present in the amoeba. After waste materials are sending through the cell membrane. This process is called digestion. Thank you. Next class we will discuss